Hey YouTube, back here with the SCCY CPX2. Got an opportunity to take it out to the range yesterday. All in all, not bad. I will say I had a couple of malfunctions. Well, actually, the only malfunction that I did have was the with a couple of different ammos, but one in particular, failure to go completely into battery. The slide would, oh, by the way, let's do a safety check. As you can see, nothing in the chamber, and we're empty here. But I had several occasions where the slide would go to about right there, and I would have to just give it a bump to get the round completely in battery. But outside of that, no issues whatsoever. I was quite impressed. Put probably at least 250 rounds through it yesterday, and did good. Did want to point something out to you. Beg my pardon, I'm going to grab some rounds here because I want to demonstrate something. Sorry about that. I didn't have those close by. We'll slide this out of the way. Something I did notice. As I was shooting at the range yesterday, using my Ablula. That's what I always call it. These things are awesome as far for loading magazines and whatnot. But this is supposed to be a 10 round magazine, and I'm going to demonstrate something here. You can count with me. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That magazine will hold 11 just fine, and the other one is just the same way. I know they say 10 round magazines, but they actually hold 11. I did not have any issues with chambering them, and as you can see, I will demonstrate with the other mag as well. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 rounds. So I'm not sure about that, guys. Mags will hold 11. If you put one in the chamber, that makes 12. So the capacity for me is 12. 11 plus 1, not 10 plus 1. Which I don't mind at all. But they state that it's a 10 plus 1. And as you can clearly see, I've used both magazines, and I have 11 rounds in both magazines. So, interesting note. But wanted to point that out. I'm not sure. I may call Sky about that one. If they see the video and want to comment, feel free to do so. But But guys, I can't say enough. Quite impressed for the money that I spent on this gun. And if you didn't catch my other video, my unboxing video, here is that amazing price. $229.99. Really got a great deal, and as you can see, it was marked down from $249.99. I'm telling you, you can't beat it for the price. Planning on, the only gripe that I did have is the grip is kind of slick. Not a big fan of slip-on rubber grips like Hogue and others. I know there's some, oh gosh, I can't even think of the name of it, but there's a new one out that basically is a very rubber, just a tubular rubber piece that slips over it. Tough One, I think maybe is the name of it. Apologize if I misnamed that, but I think that's the name of it. But I am a fan of stippling, and I've done a couple, 2 or 3 of my own pistols. My Glock 19, I have stippled the grip on it. My XDS 45, I've also customized the grip on it, stippled it, and put some finger grooves on it. So I think I'm going to do some stippling on here. I do like to rest my thumb here a lot of times, and that front edge of that trigger guard is pretty slick. So I may put me some reference stippling here as well as on the front of the trigger guard, and as well as the finger grooves and this back strap. I may try to leave the side panels alone because I kind of like that. However, it's not, you don't get a whole lot of grip. I do more on the sides, of course, than this. It's just smooth plastic. But I'm going to probably do some stippling here, and I'll post a video of that as well. But right in here, it's really slick, and I just want to get a better grip on that handhold. But one other thing that I noticed, I get a little bit of bite because of where my pinky rests right here. And with the mag in, you'll see, and that mag's got a little bit of play in it. And because of that, when it's all the way forward, that is nice and even right there. But typically when you're shooting, you got pressure against it, and that mag drops down, and if you look real close, that is raised up. And because of that, when I was shooting, I would get a little bit of a bite right there on my pinky, as you can see as I'm gripping it, and it would pinch me and give me a little bit of bite. So I may actually sand that down some, and then I'm going to stipple that mag extension, pinky extension, I guess you call it, base plate on the magazine, and hopefully that will solve the issues. But I like the grip, I like the feel. I just want to get a better grip on it, and I think stippling will do that for me. So I'll post that video. Please comment, and check back soon. Thanks, everybody.